Now, look, do you want to have a real laugh today? All right, I'll let you into a secret. Don't tell anyone. Take a look at that photograph. Guess who that is? Yeah, you've guessed it. It's me when I was 8. Now, don't worry, because this is still me now. But the weird thing is, what am I going to look like when I'm really old? Well, try this. Draw a cartoon or a caricature of yourself. Doesn't need to be brilliant, just a rough one, and add some instant old age. All right, I don't know whether I want to do this, but here we go. Let's take off my hair. Ouch, that really hurts. Look at that. I'm going to take my hairline away, because that's what tends to happen to us fellas when we get a bit older. We tend to start losing our hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hairline up a bit. What, a bit further? All right, up we go. Now, let's not go too far, eh? I don't want to be completely bald. So let's bring that down there, like that. And then I'll probably end up with grey hair, because I guess that happens to all of us, doesn't it? Boys and girls. There we go, lots of grey hair on there. I'm still keeping some on the top. I'm not going to do myself completely bald. Maybe next series of Heart Attack, but not this time. And then I think what I'll do is I'll do some silver eyebrows. All right? Well, you said you wanted to have a laugh. There we go. I'm not laughing so much now, though, looking at this. And what else happens? Oh, you tend to get a lot of wrinkles and creases in your skin, don't you? So I'll do these frown lines. There, nice and deep. And I'll probably get some crow's feet around my eyes. I've got those now when I laugh. And then some bags under my eyes. Yeah, I get those when I'm doing Heart Attack. And a couple more wrinkles there. And you know those lines at the side of your mouth when you're smiling? Well, they tend to get longer and deeper when you get older. Oh, look at this. This is me in Heart Attack Series 26. I think I'll go home now. And I'll tell you what I think I'll do. When I get a bit older, don't laugh, I think I'll grow a distinguished moustache. So I'm going to do that in silver crayon again, because it'll probably be grey by then. And just do it coming down there. There, like that. And then, oh, I don't think I like this at all. And I think I'll end up with a beard as well. A lot of older people have beards, don't they? Well, the fellas do anyway, not so much the women. Like that. And that'll be in grey hair, I would imagine, or grey stubble. And what else? Oh, you know what may happen when I get a bit older? My eyesight might start to fail, so I may have to have reading glasses. There you go, on there like that. And can you imagine me doing Heart Attack looking like this? With me red Heart Attack shirt on. Look rather stupid, really, wouldn't it? Put that round there. And there it is. That is probably how I'm going to look when I'm a lot older. Ugh. And you know what the weird thing is? Looking at that, you know, this is exactly how my dad looks now, except he hasn't got a beard or moustache. That's a worrying thought, isn't it? Try it yourself, or maybe you shouldn't. Add some instant old age, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!